friends, welcome to Career Hacks, and this is Preeti back again with an amazing tricks. Friends, in today's video I am going to share few tricks how to find out the squares of the particular numbers within seconds in a very quick and easy manner. As if you are a student of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, or you are going to fight any kind of competitive exams, in each and every exam you need to know the short tricks of maths. So in this video I am going to share tricks how to find out these squares. So let's start the tricks. So our first trick is numbers having 5 as unit digit. Yes, numbers having 5 as a unit digit means numbers like 15, 25, 35, 45, 65, 75 and so on. So let's take one example, 45. Let's take example of 45. Now here what we have to do is, first of all we have to look at our unit digit, that is 5. Now for finding out the square of the bigger numbers, you should know the squares from 1 to 9, and everybody knows that, I think so. So square of the 5 is 25, that is 5 5s are 25, so 25. Now look at this number 4. Now you have to multiply whatever number is here to its next number. So the next number to the 4 is 5. So 4 5s are 20. So this is the square of 45. Let's take one more example, that is 95. Now again unit place is 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 9. Number 9 having next number as 10. So 9 10s are 90. This is the square of 95. Let's take one more example, that is 85. Again unit digit square, that is 25, and 8 is having 9 as the next number, so 8 9s are 72. So this is the square of 85. So it is very quick and easy, and you can find out all the numbers as a unit digit with the help of this method. So let's move on to our second trick. Let's move on to our second trick. Second trick is numbers just more than 100. Numbers more than 100 means to say that numbers like 101 to 109 I can say. So let's take one example as 103. Square of 103. Now before starting this, you should know how much it is more than 100. So it is 3 more than 100. So right here inside that it is 3 more than 100. Now we have to do the square of this number 3, that is 9. As the square of the 9 is a single digit number, so I take 1 0 here. Now it is 3 more than 100. So we will add 3 to our basic number, that is, so 3 and 3 is 6. 0 and 1. So this is the square of 103. Let's take one more example, 104. Okay. Again, how much it is more than 100? It is 4 more than 100. Now the square of this number, 4 4s are 16, and we will add this 4 to 104, that is 448, and this is the square of 104. In that manner you can find out all the squares in a very quick manner. Now let's move on to our third trick. Now this is opposite to that previous trick, numbers less than 100. Yes. Now numbers less than 100, for example 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 98, 99, in that way. So let's take one example as 93, square of 93. Now in the same manner, in previous trick we have seen how much it is more than 100. Now in this we have to see how much it is less than 100. So it is 7 less than 100. So we have to do the square of this number. So square of this number is 49. That is 7 7s are 49 obviously. and we have to subtract here 7 because it is less than. In that we have added, here we will subtract. So 13 minus 7 is 6 and 8. So this is the square of 93. Now let's take one more example. Let's take as 97, square of 97. So how much it is more than, how much it is less than 100? It is 3 less than 100. So 3 3s are 9. As I already told you that square of the 9 is a single digit number, so we take 1 0 here. Now we will subtract 3 from 97. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And here it is 9. So this is the square of 97. In that manner, you can find out the square from 91 to 99 in a very quick and easy manner within seconds, and definitely you will rock your exam. So friends, if you like these tricks, then hit like, and I'm sure these tricks would help you out. And get ready, be ready to be continued for the next tricks. Thanks for watching.